Nature's fury is causing chaos in Chile. Blizzard on the streets of Magallanes. Natural disasters are major adverse events resulting from natural processes on Earth. Examples include floods, hurricanes, tornadoes, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, tsunamis, storms, rain, hail, fires, waves, wind, snow, weather and other geological processes. Climate change has arrived. The hottest day was replaced by heavy snowfall over most of Magallanes this summer has become a record in almost all countries of our planet.